So, a bit of history for you. The Edwardian era, 1901 to 1910, was very short-lived, and it was hugely influenced by the arts and craft movements. Many Edwardian properties were built in the grassy suburbs, allowing bigger, more spacious and brighter homes to be created. Isn't that what we all aspire to? The high ceilings, the big sash windows and the open fireplaces are all factors that contribute to the elegance that this indulgent home has to offer. The dining room is home to this stunning Stovax multi-fuel heater, allowing this beautiful house to be heated cost effectively. The kitchen and adjoining utility room offer a bespoke, handmade and hand-painted kitchen design that utilises every inch of space available. Features include an American walnut breakfast bar, black sapphire granite worktops, a 6-ring Rangemaster Elang, full high AEG fridge and a separate freezer, a Neff dishwasher and a walk-in pantry. To the first floor of this property we have 3 double bedrooms. All 3 have en-suites and 2, including this one, have walk-in wardrobes. This property is situated in the ever-popular Wigmore location, with good access to the M2/M20 motorways and the Hempstead Valley Shopping Centre. Closer by, for your convenience, there are a number of shops and pubs with a restaurant. There are also a number of primary and secondary schools within good access of this amazing family home. To the second floor, there are another 2 double bedrooms. The space on offer is incredible. The space continues into the garden. Just take a look at this. So if you can see yourself and your family enjoying this stylish Edwardian abode, give me a call today and I'll arrange your grand tour.